Hello guys, welcome to our next video of Android development. In this video, we will cover what widgets Android provides. So here are the outlines. These are the widgets which is offered by Android. First is post, button, checkbox, radio group, and radio button, spinner, edit text, autocomplete text view, text input layout, and toolbar. So we will cover first is toast. Toast is a small message that pop-ups at the bottom of the screen, which provides the simple feedback about the operation. For example, if you click on a button, toast will appear. You clicked a button. So basically, it has key features. Automatically disappears after a short duration and does not require any user interaction. Basically, its use cases are displaying a confirmation message like message set or settings set. Toast is basically used to pop up a message. Next, button. Button is a clickable UI element that performs some action when it pressed. Key features of button. It supports text icons and it can be customized with styles and themes. And its use cases are submitting form, navigation between screens, or triggering an event. For example, you want to send data, so you will click on a button, the data will be sent to the server. Next is checkbox. Checkbox allow user to select one or multiple options from this set. It supports multiple selections and display as a check mark when selected. For example, selecting a preference, agreeing to terms, or choosing multiple items from the list. Radio group and radio button. Radio button allows you to select a single option from the set, and radio groups of multiple radio button to enforce user to select for single selection. Okay. It ensures only one option must be selected at a time within a group. For example, selecting a vendor, selecting a payment method while purchasing some order or making some order or other exclusive choices. Spinner is a kind of drop-down list that allows users to select an item from multiple options. Okay, it saves screen space by displaying options when clicked, and it supports custom adapter for complex data. You can use Spinner for selecting a country, category, or sorting options. Edit text is a user interface element for entering and modifying text. It supports various type of inputs such as text, number, password, email addresses, and it provides input validation and formatting. For example, fonts, comments, search bar, or any text input fields you can implement this by using edit text widget. Next is autocomplete text view. Autocomplete text view is a editable text view that allows completion suggestion automatically while the user is typing. Next example of autocomplete text view is a Google's search bar. The key features of autocomplete text view: it improves user input and it improves user speed and accuracy, and it can be populated from various data sources. Use case: entering an email address, search queries, or tags. Text input layout is a layout wrapper around text that provides additional features such as floating labels that display as hint, error messages for input validation, support for a character counter, and password visibility toggle. For example, its use cases: enhancing form fields with better user experience and a validation feedback. What is toolbar? Toolbar is a generalization of action bar and providing greater control and flexibility. It can place anywhere in the layout, supports blending and navigation, and action items. You can easily customize with it with styles and themes. Its use cases are providing app title, navigation, drawer, search, and other action items at the top of the screen. So these are the widgets that we will going to use in our Android tutorial and while building an application. That's it for the video. Thank you.